मीटिंग कसली झाली तुमच्या?
So there were some concerned citizens of Panjim. They wanted to know what is basically happening as far as the tourism department is concerned. Because tourism department has planned some ropeway and some other activities in Miramar area and Kampal area. So they just wanted to know. Now the Honorable Minister has said somewhere after the Diwali will fix presentation basically. So he has called all of them to come and witness the presentation for what basically tourism is proposed to have in Miramar.
ओके. दुसरे म्हटल्यार सर एक स्टॅम्प ड्युटीची रेट्स वाडल्या. सो आता कोणी स्टॅम्प ड्युटी भरलेली आहा त्यांना असो इश्यू येयला की
The moment it is been notified from that day the stamp duty listing comes. So whoever has got, they have got to pay the difference.
ओके सर. आणि एक तुमची केस सध्या परत इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आहे ॲज अ तुम्ही ॲज अ विक्टीम.
There is a legal process. It has got to start. It has started now. So let it start.
ओके सर. थँक्यू.
Okay, thank you.